Hey everyone! Today we're making MasterChef Christine Ha's Buttermilk chicken. She's the winner of MasterChef Season 3. She has a cookbook titled Recipes from My Home Kitchen, and we are going to make her buttermilk fried chicken. The recipe uses orange zest and orange juice mixed with buttermilk, then dipped in seasoned flour and cornmeal mixture, then deep fried in canola oil. So it's going to be crispy and delicious. Alright, let me show you how to make it. First, we are going to zest 1 large orange. The recipe says that you need the zest of 2 oranges, but I thought that was too much, so we're going to use only 1 orange. It's going to give us about a half cup of orange zest, so it will not get too bitter. Then we are going to extract the juice of that orange. I don't have a juicer, so I just used my hand. And then we're going to squeeze another orange, but we're not going to remove the zest. I think 1/2 cup of orange zest is enough for this recipe. Then let's go ahead and strain it to remove the pulps. And now let's prepare the marinade. We're going to add buttermilk to the orange juice. We need 1.5 cups of buttermilk. Then add the orange zest, the salt, the black pepper, and let's whisk it until it's all blended. Do this for about a minute or so. Now grab a large Ziploc bag, then transfer the chicken in it. Then pour the buttermilk mixture in a bag. Let's use all of it. Then close the bag. Make sure to close it very well. Then shake the bag until each drumstick is well coated. It's better to use the Ziploc bag because it saves you space in the fridge and will make it easier to mix the chicken. Then leave it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes or up to 1 day. Okay, so now let's put the flour in a Ziploc bag, the cornmeal, the sweet paprika, garlic powder, black pepper, onion powder, ground red pepper, and salt. Now let's close the bag. Let's make sure that it's really closed tight. Then shake, shake, shake until all ingredients are combined. Now that the chicken has done marinating, the chicken needed to be marinated for at least 30 minutes. Then let's go ahead and drain the chicken. You can use a colander to drain it, and you can do it over the sink. I just used this right now for this video. Drain it well until there's no liquid left on the chicken. Christine Ha did not mention in her cookbook if we need to remove the orange zest, so we're going to keep the orange zest. It adds a really nice flavor to the chicken and makes it really special, so yes, keep the orange zest. Now let's add the chicken 1 piece at a time to the bag of flour mixture and shake well to be coated. Make sure to tap off any excess flour mixture, then transfer them to a plate or a sheet of waxed paper. This is what they look like when they're done, and right now they are ready to be cooked. So let's go ahead and cook them. Oh, and for the leftover flour mixture, just go ahead and toss it. Alright, now let's heat the canola oil at 350 degrees. Then add 3 to 4 chicken at a time. Do not overcrowd it, because if you do that, then the chicken is not gonna cook well. My pan is not very big, so I only cooked 3 at a time. Cook the chicken for about 10 to 12 minutes, depending on how thick the drumstick is. You need to occasionally turn the chicken so they can cook evenly. Use a tongue or a fork to turn it. Remember to keep the temperature at 350 degrees. Don't make the oil too hot or too cold so the chicken can cook really nicely. And cook the chicken until they're golden brown and cooked through. So now they are nicely done. So let's transfer them to a rack or to a plate, and we can keep them warm in the oven while you cook the other chicken. And voila, we're done. That was super easy, right? The chicken was so crispy, so moist in the inside, and so delicious. If you liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you so much.